going to pause there, but we'll be back in a moment. But just for now, we're going over to the newsroom for a news flash.
Good evening. One apologises for interrupting your normal programming. Only news is just coming in about a major discovery. It would appear that the laws of physics were wrong. Now a special report on this. Thank you.
So on a wet and boring Sunday afternoon, when you have rearranged your wardrobe in order of colour and you have read the entire internet, what else is there to do other than throw away physics and start again? I want to give massive thanks to all of my supporting members and patrons. Thank you all so very much. So who would be better placed to rewrite all of physics other than Mr. RightThe Hand? Take it away, Right Hand.
Roll VT.
Alrighty, don't worry about the certificate of baptism, that was prior life.
Oh, so you were baptised in your prior life. And what, now you've been reincarnated as a slug?
Alright, so basically I want to rewrite the laws of...
I can't change the laws of physics.
Not rewrite them physically, right? Because that's not doing anything. That's not going to change them. But like what people say. So,
what people say about the laws of physics.
I'm starting with this first one, right? All things in existence must be physical objects.
All things? What, like heat, pressure, light, anger, love, tiny cubes of cheese?
Right, you can't. That's going to change That's going to change quite a few things right there.
Alexa, place an order: 4 litres of light. Oh, and a 6-pack of sarcasm.
Right, so now they're going to say light. If light is a thing in existence, it has to be a physical object. You can't. No more skating both ways on this, right?
So, exactly how heavy is light?
Okay. Right, so if it's in existence, it's a physical object.
Well, right, you've made this video, so I guess that proves that stupidity is a physical thing.
If light is in existence, then it's a physical object.
Well, I presume then it's safer to drive at night to ensure that you don't crash into some light.
If a magnetic field is in existence, then it's a physical object. Because if you would think, how would you program this world, right? If this world is running on a function, it has to be.
There is no spoon.
Now, if you were going to have an object, if something was going to be in this world, you would have to have code written about it so that the world knows it. If there's no code, there's no object. All right, so next.
Very deep. They got a page for people like you in the Reader's Digest.
Motion cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred. Right, so when they talk about this energy, what the fuck energy? They don't know inertia. That motion cannot be created. So when I move this, so see, like the pen is moving, but it's only moving because I'm moving and then transferring the motion. And I'm only moving because I continue to eat things that are moving, right? So
remind me never to come round to your house for dinner.
This is the idea of why everything is quote-unquote vibrating.
Have you been speaking to... Never mind.
Right, because everything, technically nothing ever stops moving, right? Like, so this isn't moving, but the water is moving. Not quote moving, it is, right? It's evaporating. Okay, now this glass actually is moving. So if you were able to listen, there would be a noise. Everything has a slight noise because it is vibrating. And that is because motion cannot be created or destroyed.
So now, right, you're listening to glasses of water. Right.
So the fact that the world is in motion, nothing can stop moving if it's touching another thing that is moving, which brings us to Rule 3, hopefully.
Rule 3. I'm looking forward to that one.
Yes, I got it right. Motion. Well, there's only 3. I didn't write 4 yet. There goes. I was baptized. It's gone. So, motion can only be transferred through physical contact.
Motion can only be transferred through physical contact. Gonna have to bust you on that one, right?
Right? So, again, now if you're going to say that something moved, you must transfer the motion through physical contact to move it.
Oh, really? How about I move something with my desk lamp?
But what about a magnet?
Good point. But this is a lamp.
I don't care.
Well, I care. Lamps have feelings, you know.
These are the rules.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm going to be an LED desk lamp rebel. Stuff your rules.
Right? I'm writing rules, and that all I'm doing is looking at the world and saying the world works on these rules.
Yeah, well, right. I don't think that the world got the memo. The world follows its own rules, not yours.
And these are the rules that I see the world working on. Right? You can't move something unless you're physically touching it.
Oh, yeah? Would you like to bet on it? I see the light.
Why isn't it moving?
Perhaps it likes being there. Perhaps it doesn't want to be bullied. Perhaps it's just trying to embarrass you because you're a dickhead.
Why doesn't that pen... Oh, now... So once I make contact, because it's the contact which will transfer the information.
You seem quite sure about that, right? Are you sure about the rest of this new science of which you speak?
Okay, so how is something going to know, or how does this move? What program is running that... sorry, I was looking at it.
Apparently not.
What tells this to move, and how much, if there isn't contact to transfer the information?
Hello, glass of water. Oh, I want you to jump up and splash that idiot in the face right now.
Okay, so without physical contact, you can't transfer any information. You can't get that motion to transfer.
Au contraire, mon capitaine.
Okay, so motion is based on everything, and so that's all I got so far.
What? That's it? You've thrown away physics and that's all you've come up with?
Let me know what you think, and of course people are going to blah blah blah, but...
Blah 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 blah.
Show me I'm wrong.
Okay. Here's the lamp laying on the desk next to a Crook's radiometer. Let's switch it on, see what happens. Oh, look. It seems to be moving without physical contact. You total bloody chuff nugget. Well, that was easy. It looks like I've debunked your new physics. What do you think, Scotty?
I can't change the laws of physics.
And neither, it appears, can RightThe Hand. Until next time, stay sensible.
Ugh! That was so bad it locked up my computer!
Quick, let's get out of here before it finds the key! No, I mean it!
All right.
Shut up and sit down.